this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Gacha Life 2 on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and play Gacha Life 2 on any mobile device that you have, either Android or iOS. So, to play it, you will need to download it from the Play Store. So, if you are on Android, open the Google Play Store, and if you are on iOS, look for Gacha Life 2 on the App Store instead. Then once you find it, download it. It should be around 100 megabytes. Once you open Gacha Life 2, you will be given a general overview on what you can do here, and now you will be able to see all of the character slots. You will see the options to customize the character, so you will have plenty of presets. You can go into these settings, change various different settings, and enjoy the game. So it is a very casual, approachable game. So as you can see, you can use these presets to start building your character. They will have different body types, different proportions, and there is a lot to explore. Sadly, for this video, I cannot cover everything. You can tell by the amount of customization how much there is to do here. And sadly, for a video of this nature that is quickly going over all of these features, I cannot cover every single one in depth. But you will be able to save these profiles. You can even change stuff like the pronouns, and you can add them into these slots. So they will have main slots, studio slots. You can have a lot of different presets here, and you can use these characters that you create on the studio. So you can go over to the studio portion. You can change the background of the scene. You can add text. So again, this is just going to be an example. And everything will appear accordingly. There is a lot to explore, and overall it is a very approachable game, so download it from the Play Store or the App Store for free, and you will be able to enjoy Gacha Life 2 on your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Gacha Life 2 on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video was of any help to you or it answered any questions that you had, consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. This helps us make higher quality videos. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.